Well, in the last segment, we took a look at two of the entrepreneurial ideas that aim to bring high standards of health to India's masses. Now let's take a look at how the Piramal Prize 2008 weekend unfolded at IIM Ahmedabad. The Piramal Prize evaluation process involves 3 stages. The first stage required teams to outline the problem being addressed, the nature of the innovation, and the business plan. Up to 30 entries from the initial submissions were selected as semi-finalists for the second stage of assessment. In the third stage, the final teams got invited to the Piramal Prize weekend at IIM Ahmedabad.
I think it's a wonderful initiative because, for example, like NGOs, we need some kind of seed money to initiate something else. So we are looking forward that, because you cannot, the moment you submit a proposal, if at least 10 lakh rupees whatever Piramal is giving, you can imbibe that money and you can really demonstrate few models on ground so that you can replicate on a larger scale. So it will give you some push that the seed money you require to start up some project, because we can't have everything in hand.
On day 1 of the Piramal Prize weekend at IIM Ahmedabad, the contestants got a chance to interact with the appointed mentors, people who have contributed considerably to the area of healthcare. The event kicked off with a panel discussion and a mock presentation of the healthcare projects by the respective contestants.
20% of maternal mortality directly and another almost 20% indirectly through hemorrhage and things like that.
This will encourage many small companies like us to come forward, get good ideas from the panelists, from the judges.
So I think Piramal is really instrumental, particularly since this is the first year, in sort of bringing together key leaders, sort of discussing what they're addressing, why they're addressing it, how they sort of came into this.
On the final day, the teams then proceeded to present their plans to the selection committee. The committee, comprising of 8 judges, analyzed each project on various factors like financial viability, scalability potential, and accessibility to the masses. After the presentations, the judges then had a meeting amongst themselves to come to a final conclusion on the winner. Post the deliberations, Arvind Eye Care and Animedia emerged winners of the Piramal Prize 2008.
We really look forward to taking the help of all these experts who have seen some promise in us. So that's why now we believe in ourselves even more.
In the case of Anemia, it was the concept was very good. They were startup, so they still have to work on their product offering, their patents and so on. But we thought that we will help them set this whole thing up.
We are similar to Piramal Prize in the way of thinking that, to democratize the eye care to the community. We are going to reach the poorest of the poor and the unreached community, and the whole drive we got from these people.
For Arvind Eye Care is a very established NGO and a very good organization, and the work that they are doing is systematic and is using broadband and is using eye care technologies to go into smaller areas, rural areas. So we thought that we should support that.
Initiatives like the Piramal Prize thus help in democratizing the healthcare scenario in India by cleansing the wound that runs across the length and breadth of it.